experience of that too. So exciting.
A year ago, we were making our preparations to go to the TSC convention in Las Vegas, but Mother Nature had a different idea. Find out more about this on the Safety Cat Studios YouTube channel. Hello my friends, welcome back to the channel where we'll be sharing today's shave, sponsored by RazorRock's Caribbean Holiday. We'll be using a Kai Captain Camisori cologne, say that 5 times fast, and using in honor of the TSC Badger brush made for us by Sorrentino Brushworks, which is winding up, getting ready to start, and welcome back to it. A year ago today, almost to the day, and actually it happened on the evening of the 2nd, we were getting ready for the TSC convention in Las Vegas, and we had our line of storms come through Ohio. That's where I am right now. And it rained so violently that we ended up with 4 feet of water in our basement. It was awful. Anyway, fast forward a year, almost to the day, we have another line of storms, wicked as can be, dropping golf ball size hail. But thankfully this time we had installed much stronger sump pumps. The problem remains because a lot of the water that came into our basement came through the back windows because of improper grading of the housing development behind my house. Water came rolling down the hill, got channeled in, and funneled right through my basement windows. I'm so happy about that, as you can probably tell. That's something we're having in contact with engineers, trying to figure out a way to fix that. Had a close call the other night where it was raining wickedly, but the pumps were like champions, prevented the water from coming through, but we're going to try to get bigger pumps, I think. RazorRock soaps are terrific. Say that in Caribbean Holiday. There's some coconut scents and just puts me to thinking of being on the islands, not in Ohio. And these Camisoris are great. This one is a clone, and you can still get these, I think. Got this one on the internets somewhere. And the feather style blades are tremendous. These things hold their edge real good and are sharp enough to split time. You can so I'm using the same blade and transferring it back and forth between other feather style razors and the Vector. They're all very happy. I don't know how many shaves are on this one because it's when I discovered I failed to transfer and it laid in the razor until I picked it up, and there it was. And it's plenty sharp. It's smooth, ready to go. So it must only have a few shaves on it, plus the 3 or 4 that I just put on. This soap is a little bit low, very slick. I could probably put more water in and fluff it up, but I like it a little bit soupy. If I'm using an open blade, which we are. This would be a dandy of a platform to, if you're just starting out, and so you don't have to worry about the dealing with the floppy bits. You just have to hold on to the handle to get your passes right, get your stroke going. Very relaxing, easy to shave with item. Now, a genuine Camisori, I have a couple of those too. They're a little bit more sporty to use because they have a real aggressive grind in there. One-sided asymmetrical grind, which if you're not used to them, you gotta really concentrate or you're gonna hurt yourself. For the most part. Matter of fact, I'm not 100% certain where my Camisoris are. I don't think I loaned them out, so they're probably in a drawer where I keep my other razors. I'll bring them out. Terrific shave today. Thank you for watching. Let's hit ourselves with the alum. I know I'm not going to have very much in the way of irritation, but alum takes care of a lot of the kills germs and whatnot, so I don't break out. Then we'll hit ourselves up with some Thayer's lemon. And then we use some of RazoRock's matching aftershave. It's wonderful stuff. Where the soap has got a very mild fragrance to it, and it's super amped up with the matching aftershave. Being Saturday, I don't have anywhere to go, but this is for me. I'm ready for a vacation to sunny climes. I'm just ready for spring, I think. And that's it, a wonderful shave. Thank you for coming. If you made it this far, leave a like and subscribe. I'm Major Rich. You find me at theshavingkinder.com. You might be finding me on my YouTube channel, Safety Cat Studios. If you did, yeah, like I said, try to subscribe or like, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.